Hvar is arguably the most popular resort destination in Croatia. It is considered the sunniest spot in the country, almost 3,000 sunny hours each year, and has swanky hotels, restaurants, along with the incredible remains of the fort and square. All these people are waiting for the ferry. We took the ferry here years ago and spent the day in Hvar. There are no ferries from Split these days, not into Hvar. They go into Starigrad on the other side. Only fast speedboats. And here comes the ferry. The medieval castle occupies the site of an ancient Illyrian settlement dating from before 500 BC. You can drive to the top in a taxi. You do not have to walk there. If you want to plan to spend time in a hotel here, your hotel will meet you at the ferry dock. This is called Hvar City. Starigrad is on the other side of the island, 20 kilometers away. Here's one of our tour groups. A warm good morning. Once again, I'm going to ask you to look at my in-depth video already up on YouTube from when Steve and I were here probably 10 years ago. Today we're just going to walk around and do nothing hysterical. Don't expect too much information out of this particular video. Thanks, and come with us. Busy little place. Like I said, everybody's heading back on the ferry to the mainland of Croatia. The Byzantines built a citadel here in the 6th century, and Venetians began construction of the present fortress in 1278, strengthened in 1551, which may have saved the lives of Hvar's population, who sheltered here when the Turks sacked their town. The bell tower of the walled Renaissance monastery can be seen throughout town. Inside is a depiction of the Last Supper, but nobody is quite sure exactly who painted this one. St. Stephen's Square was originally a deep bay filled with rocks for centuries until it got its present dimensions. Well, the communal well is all covered up. They cover the well. They're not sure if it's an actual protest or, yes, it's the art. Art. As you can see, it is not exactly a quiet little port. It's less than $2 for a cup of coffee. Ooh, truffle products. Plenty of ATMs, but I do not want to change it to any Croatian kuna. Our tender just came, but in the meantime, there are 3 ferries in a row, loaded with people and people waiting to board. This is a human sundial. You stand on one of those and raise your hand. So I guess, whatever. I'm sorry, I don't get it. And I still don't get it. There is our ship out there. That is a very nice looking yacht. There is a constant procession of boat traffic, from water taxis, people on excursions. You can see the monastery even from here. It sticks up over the entire town. That's ours, right there. Probably the last one back. Because the ship is at anchor, we're constantly turning, and right at this particular moment, we are facing Hvar town.